what?
That's a super cute nail design. You can check out this manicure in your album. Here's your very own album, where all of the manicures you've already designed are saved. Hi! Welcome to Hello Kitty's Nail Salon. Here, you can help her create super cute nail designs. If you practice your skills by creating specially designed manicures, you'll earn more and more stars. Explore your creativity in freestyle. The best nail designers always have the most unique designs. Are you ready for a challenge and match this? Copy the specially designed manicure prepared for you. If you match the manicure perfectly, you'll see how much Hello Kitty loves your work. In Hello Kitty's nail salon, you can become the best nail designer you can possibly be. Change the background style and choose the skin color for your hand. So, what's the latest trend in nail polish color? Choose the color you want to use from the tray. Use your finger to brush it on the nail. Press the next button to continue. What pattern inspires you today? Tap on a pattern in the tray to use it on your nails. Change the pattern's color with the color wheel. Use the slider to change the size of the pattern. Now to make it super cute by adding a character. Drag the character you want onto your nail, anywhere you like. Press now to add some final touches. Choose from gorgeous. Let's keep going.
Give a dog a bone, this old man came rolling home. This old man, he played ten, he played knick-knack once again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone, this old man came rolling home.
Gorgeous! Let's keep going. Press the next button to continue. I love it! On to the next nail.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Looks great! Now you can do the next nail. with your manicure, tap on the camera to save it to your album. Take a photo of your hand or use a model's hand for your manicure. That's a super cute nail design. You can check out this manicure in your album. Here's your very own album, where all of the manicures you've already designed are saved.